Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning English is Easy. Today we have a special episode because we're taking you to a place where people sweat, lift things, run, stretch, grunt softly, and pretend they are not tired at all. Yes, the gym.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're learning how to talk to people at the gym, how to be friendly, how to ask simple questions, and how to answer without sounding confused or out of breath.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with anyone learning English. It helps a lot.
Yes, really. Every time you support the channel, you help more people learn English. And remember, your efforts will pay off. Every small practice counts.
So, picture this. You walk into the gym. Maybe you feel confident. Maybe you feel terrified. Maybe you only came for the sauna. It's all fine.
The gym can be full of sounds, machines, music, weights, and sometimes people doing strange breathing noises. But it's also a great place to practice small talk because conversations are short and simple.
Exactly. People at the gym don't want long, complicated stories. They want friendly comments, simple questions, and quick answers. Perfect for beginners.
So, let's warm up our English muscles. Tom, imagine you see someone at the gym, maybe next to the treadmills. What's the first thing you can say?
Easy. Hi. Or, hey, how's it going? Or, morning.
Yes, very short, very easy. People at the gym like quick greetings. They are usually focused on their workout.
They don't want you to ask, what are your feelings about the meaning of life? Not during push-ups.
Exactly. Keep it simple. You can also say, busy today? Or lots of people here today.
Or, the gym is full this morning. These are classic small talk sentences.
Now, imagine you're stretching and someone is next to you. You can say something friendly like, cold morning today, or nice weather today, or great day for a workout.
Yes, anything light works. And you don't need perfect grammar. You just need friendly energy.
Now, let's talk about talking to the staff at the gym, the reception, the trainers, the people at the desk.
They usually say, hi, how are you? Or, good morning. You can answer with, good morning. Or, I'm good, thanks. Or, doing well, thanks.
If you want to ask a question, you can say, is the locker room open? Or, where is the yoga room? Or, what time does the class start?
Or, is the treadmill free? Or, do you have towels?
All simple questions with easy vocabulary. And the more you ask, the more comfortable you get.
Now, let's move to small talk with other gym goers. Maybe someone is using the same machine as you. Maybe you're waiting.
Yes, and this is where the magic happens. The gym is full of short conversations like, are you using this? Or are you finished? Or is this machine free?
These three sentences are essential gym English. Let me repeat them. Are you using this? Are you finished? Is this free?
Very useful. You can also ask, can I work in? That means you want to share the machine between sets. But this is optional for beginners.
Yes, you can survive without that one for now, but you can learn it when you feel confident.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Tom. Hi, are you using this? Anna. Yes, one more set. Tom. No problem.
Simple, quick, and friendly.
Now, let's talk about complimenting someone at the gym. This can be tricky because we want to be friendly, not strange.
Yes, very important. Never say something too personal. Keep compliments safe and general, like, nice work, or good job, or you're strong, or great effort.
Or, that's a good pace if someone is running.
Yes, and always keep a friendly tone.
Now, maybe someone compliments you. It might feel surprising. What do you say?
Easy. Thanks. Or thank you. Or I'm trying. Or I'm working on it.
These are perfect answers, short and natural.
The gym is also a place where people talk about routines. Not life routines, but workout routines.
Yes, people ask questions like, how many sets do you do? How long have you been here? Do you come often?
Do you come often is a classic small talk line. Let's keep it gym friendly.
Yes, please. Not romantic, gym-friendly.
If someone asks, do you come often? You can answer, a few times a week. Or, not often, but I try. Or, it's my first time.
These answers are perfect for beginners.
Now, let's talk about asking for help. You can say, how do I use this machine? Or, is this correct? Or, can you help me with this?
Trainers love helping with technique. You can say, is my form okay? Or, should my back be straight?
And when they help, say, thanks. Or, thank you for explaining.
Great vocabulary practice.
Now, let's take a situation. You're on a treadmill. Someone next to you is running very fast. They look like they are training for the Olympics.
You can say, wow, good speed. Or, you're fast.
And they may answer, thanks. Or, trying my best.
Simple, friendly, done.
Now, imagine it's very early in the morning. You can start small talk with, early workout today? Or, you're here early.
And you can answer, yes, before work. Or, yes, I like mornings. Or, trying to wake up.
That last one is very common.
Yes, many people at the gym look like they are still sleeping.
Now, let's talk about the most common gym small talk topic, how tired you are.
Yes, people at the gym love saying, I'm tired, this is hard, long day, my legs hurt, I need water, I need a break.
And you can react with, same here. Or, me too. Or, I feel that. Or, I know the feeling.
These are super easy sentences, but very useful.
Another common topic is talking about the weather. I don't know why, but people talk about weather everywhere, even at the gym.
Yes, you can say hot today, cold today, rainy outside, or perfect weather for the gym.
Weather is always a safe small talk topic, even when you're lifting weights.
Now let's practice more natural gym dialogues.
I'll start. Hi, are you done with that machine?
Tom, yes, all yours.
Anna, thanks.
Tom, another one. Excuse me, do you know how to adjust this?
Anna, sure, let me show you.
Tom, thanks so much.
Anna, another example. This class is intense.
Tom, yes, my arms are dying.
Anna, mine too.
Here's a classic treadmill conversation. Tom, good speed today. Anna, thanks, I'm trying. Tom, same here.
And now a friendly check-in conversation. Tom, how's your workout going?
Anna, pretty good. And you? Tom, good, just warming up.
All easy sentences for A1 to A2 learners.
Now let's talk about describing your workout. You can say, I'm doing cardio, I'm lifting weights, I'm stretching, I'm doing abs, I'm cooling down.
And you can ask, what are you training today? Or leg day? Or arms today?
Leg day is famous. People love to complain about leg day.
Yes, you can say leg day is tough. Or my legs hurt.
You can also say, I'm focusing on strength, I'm doing a light workout, or I'm doing a short session today.
That's useful if you don't want people to think you're training for the Olympics.
Now let's practice talking about frequency. People ask, how often do you go to the gym?
You can answer 3 times a week, on weekends, every morning, sometimes, not often, but I try.
All very simple.
Now let's practice talking about goals. You can say, I want to get stronger. I want to lose weight. I want to stay healthy. I want more energy.
And you can ask, what's your goal?
And the person can answer, I want to run faster, or I want to build muscle.
Now, let's talk about ending gym conversations, because at the gym, people don't talk forever.
Yes, when you want to finish the conversation, you can say, good workout, or have a good session, or see you next time.
These are friendly ways to close the conversation.
Very useful for beginners.
Now, let's practice more natural gym dialogues.
I'll start. Hi, are you done with that machine?
Yes, all yours.
Thanks.
Another one? Excuse me, do you know how to adjust this?
Sure, let me show you.
Thanks so much.
Another example. This class is intense.
Yes, my arms are dying.
Mine too.
Here's a classic treadmill conversation. Good speed today.
Thanks, I'm trying.
Same here.
And now a friendly check-in conversation. Tom, how's your workout going?
Pretty good. And you?
Good, just warming up.
All easy sentences for A1 to A2 learners. Now let's talk about describing your workout. You can say, I'm doing cardio. I'm lifting weights. I'm stretching. I'm doing abs. I'm cooling down.
And you can ask, what are you training today? Or leg day? Or arms today?
Leg day is famous. People love to complain about leg day.
Yes, you can say, leg day is tough, or my legs hurt.
You can also say, I'm focusing on strength, I'm doing a light workout, or I'm doing a short session today.
That's useful if you don't want people to think you're training for the Olympics.
Now let's practice talking about frequency. People ask, how often do you go to the gym?
You can answer 3 times a week, on weekends, every morning, sometimes, not often, but I try.
All very simple.
Now let's practice talking about goals. You can say, I want to get stronger. I want to lose weight. I want to stay healthy. I want more energy.
And you can ask, what's your goal? And the person can answer, I want to run faster, or I want to build muscle.
Now let's talk about ending gym conversations, because at the gym, people don't talk forever.
Yes, when you want to finish the conversation, you can say, good workout, or have a good session, or see you next time.
These are friendly ways to close the conversation.
Very useful for beginners. Now let's talk about encouragement, because the gym is full of encouraging sentences like, you got this, keep going, almost done, great job, nice form.
And you can respond with, thanks, trying, doing my best, or one more set.
These small interactions help you connect with people and practice English without stress.
And the best part is, gym small talk is always short, so it's perfect for learners who don't feel confident yet.
And it helps you repeat common structures. The more repetition, the better.
Yes, repetition builds fluency, not perfection, fluency.
And remember, your English will improve, even if you only say small things like, hi, all good, or nice work.
Small steps matter.
Now let's imagine a full gym scenario. You walk in.
Reception says, hi, how are you?
Good, thanks.
You go to the locker room. You see someone.
You say, morning.
They say, morning.
You go to the treadmill. Someone is next to you. Good pace.
Thanks. You go to the weights area. Someone is using dumbbells.
Are you using this bench?
No, go ahead.
And you say, thanks.
Later, someone asks,
how's your workout?
Pretty good. And yours?
They say, good, just starting.
You finish and say, have a good day.
They say, you too.
And boom, you've done 10 small conversations in English at a beginner level.
Easy, natural, real-life English.
So listeners, don't be shy. Try using 1 or 2 gym phrases next time you go for a workout.
And remember, your English is improving. Maybe slowly, maybe quietly, but it's improving.
You're doing great. Keep going.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, do you go to the gym? What's your favorite exercise?
We love reading your answers. Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.